Hi and welcome to the RAMPS R&D Group. We're a specialist group of engineers within the engineering department at Trobe University. We specialise on delivering solutions to problems, real-world problems, using technologies including robotics, machine vision, sensor systems, embedded electronics, and even mechanical prototyping. Now, our expert engineers and academics not only publish in some of the world's top journals and conferences, which can give great exposure to whatever your design or plan is, but we also use a systems engineering approach to deliver and find out what your requirements are so we can actually deliver on your requirements to solve your real needs. Being based at a leading university gives us unparalleled access to people who are cross-disciplinary experts from different fields, everything from dentistry through to microbiology, chemistry, civil engineering, physics. All of these experts are at our fingertips. We have an in-house mechanical and electrical prototyping facility, which allows us to make circuit boards, but everything from 3D printed parts through to using waterjet cutters, milling machines, laser cutters, and even injection molding. We've solved problems in the past, including everything from waterproof robots that traverse through sewer systems looking for weak sections of concrete that have been affected by corrosion, through to dental implements, wildlife monitoring systems, and one of our more recent ones, AutoMange, a robot that automatically treats mange-affected wombats in the field, in the wild, which is otherwise a very time and costly procedure to do. If you've got any ideas, please get in touch. We'd love to talk and see how we can solve your problems. We're excited to hear from you.